Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable in-ear detection for Jabra Elite 7 Active. To do this, we'll need to click on the gear icon. Here open headset settings, go for the general, then scroll down and now you can find in-ear detection. A sensor in each earbud is used to determine if you're wearing a headset. The in-ear detection is used for auto-answering calls, mute call audio when you take off the earbuds, pause audio by taking out one or both earbuds, and if you turn off the in-ear detection, these automatic behaviors will no longer work, so you can disable or enable it with a switch. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.